Hi, welcome to the course Swagger Tools for API Developers. This course is a guide to learning Swagger tools for a simplified OpenAPI design, documentation, development, and testing. I am Praveen Kumar Bhavna, shortly Praveen from codewithpraveen.com, your instructor for this course. I have 15 plus years of experience in software development in C#.NET. I have worked in various MNCs developing enterprise applications related to security surveillance, access control, and other automation control systems. In this course, you will gain significant knowledge of using Swagger tools for your next OpenAPI project. You will be taken through a step-by-step process to know each of its tools. We will look at various tools of Swagger by building an API for a college management system. We will document it using Swagger Editor and Swagger UI, generate code using Swagger Codegen, test the APIs using Swagger Inspector, and finally collaborate with others using SwaggerHub. Some of the topics you learn include an overview of Swagger tools and its types, including SwaggerHub, using Swagger Editor and Swagger UI for creating OpenAPI specification documents, using Swagger Codegen for server stub and client SDK code generation, instructions to use Swagger Inspector to test APIs, collaborating with team members using SwaggerHub, and so on. At the end of this course, you will know to use all Swagger tools, namely Swagger Editor, Swagger UI, Swagger Codegen, Swagger Inspector, and SwaggerHub. You will be able to document, generate server and client code, test the generated codes, and collaborate with team members for any OpenAPI specification. I designed this course for API developers, beginner or experienced, who work with APIs. You can be consuming OpenAPIs or implementing your own web services. This course will provide you with a strong foundation for understanding and using Swagger tools for API development. As a prerequisite, basic knowledge of designing RESTful web APIs will be good. Also, a basic knowledge of creating OpenAPI specification documents will be helpful. Enroll now to get started.